Hey there, curious minds! Welcome to my channel, the place where science comes alive. Every week, we explore the amazing world around us with fun experiments, cool facts, and exciting adventures. From the tiniest atoms to the biggest planets, there's always something new to discover. So grab your curiosity and let's dive into today's science adventure. Today, we're going to explore the mystery of shadows and light, how they work, why they're connected, and why life on Earth depends on them. What is light? Light is energy that travels in waves. The fastest thing in the universe, 300,000 kilometers per second, comes from the sun, fire, and electric bulbs. Without light, we wouldn't see anything. Think of light as nature's paintbrush. It colors our entire world. How light travels? Light travels in straight lines. Demonstration. Flashlight plus holes in cardboard equals straight beam. Reflection bouncing off mirrors. Refraction bending through water or glass. What are shadows? Shadows happen when light is blocked by an object. Show small toy blocking light, shadow forms. Closer object equals bigger shadow. Farther equals smaller shadow. Fun activity. Make shadow puppets on the wall. Types of shadows. Umbra, darkest part. Penumbra, lighter edges. Real life example. Solar and lunar eclipses. During an eclipse, Earth, Moon, and Sun play the world's biggest shadow game. Light and colors. White light is made of many colors. Lloyd-Bib. Use prism to split sunlight rainbow. Objects look colored because they reflect some colors and absorb others. Example, a red apple reflects red light but absorbs others. Why light and shadows matter. Helps us see the world. Shadows keep us cool under the sun. Used in art and storytelling. Animals use shadows for protection and hunting. Light and shadows may seem simple, but they make our world exciting, colorful, and full of mystery. Next time you see your shadow, give it a wave. It's proof that light is shining on you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more friends can join our science adventure. See you next time.